Welcome to the last tutorial. I'm very proud of you guys for making it this far, and let's continue. Pusher robot with sound. All right, so this truly will be the accumulation of all of our knowledge and of our abilities. So we do have one final thing to teach you: teleporting areas. So if you stand in a teleporting area for a few seconds, it'll teleport you somewhere. All right? And these ghosts disappear with the A keys. Oh, and we got that music tree for the end. So, deep breaths, guys. Let's get this done. Let's go clockwise forward. M1 and M2. And let's just focus on getting to the tree. Or can't get to the tree first. We must drop the ball off first. And if we go too fast, the ball will not stay in the pit. So let's go for 2.5 and break. This should drop the ball off. And after waiting for a second, let's continue moving forward. All right, and after moving forward again, we can see what the tree has to tell us. All right. Oh, great tree. A key, B key. All right. So now that we know, let's get to the tree in about 1.5 seconds before reversing. So let's reverse. Okay. And after reversing, we want to turn left. So let's reverse for about 2.5 seconds. To go to the left, the M1 motor must go forward. So set the M1 motor to go clockwise. Let's turn for 1.7 seconds, and then we can go forward. So we set the other motor, M2, to go clockwise as well. And we'll see what happens. Hopefully this all works. All right, so we dropped the ball off. Check it. Still AB. So we're gonna turn. Oh, hit a little roadblock. All right, guys. Let's try that again. See what we can adjust. Go forward, go backward. So it seems that we're going backwards for a little too long. So let's go backwards for 2.3 seconds. All right. Go backwards. Turn. Perfect. All right. We get to the ghost. You know what to do, guys. We gotta scare away this ghost. So let's repeat twice. Play that A sound. All right. Then after going forward for about 0.5 seconds, we want to break at the portal. Okay. Let's see it. Go backwards, turn, go forward, go away. Gonna break. Oh, teleport. All right. Okay. So we have a ghost, a ball, and a teleport all in one line. Oh man, this will be tough. Okay. Let's break for about portal took 3 seconds, so we'll wait 3 seconds. And let's go forward. Now, gotta wait till we're in front of the ghost. So let's wait a second. And then, hmm, let's actually go a power of 50. Let's wait 1.5 seconds. So the problem is we need to move forward and drop the ball off without going too fast, or else we'll hit the ball into the ghost. Okay? So we're gonna go 50. And then when we get to the ghost, we will repeat twice that A key. Let's see what happens. Reverse. So we should get to the ghost, break at the portal, go slowly, and scare the other ghost. All right, who sees the problem? Uh, Always be careful to make sure that you are setting both motors. Let's try this again. Now, I'm not perfect, so everyone makes mistakes, but it's okay. We learn from our mistakes, and we get to the end. Let's go to that portal. Go slowly. Scare the ghost. And we're gonna have to stop at that portal. Oh man. All right. So after going 50 and scaring, let's wait 2 seconds and break. And let's see where that last portal takes us. I have a feeling though. I think I know where it is. It's in front of that door. The final door. All right, guys. Almost there. Through the portal. Scare that ghost away while going slowly. Then we're gonna break and see what our last task is. We must move forward, play the A then B key, then break. Okay, guys, this is it. So after waiting at that portal for 30 seconds, let's go forward. Remember, clockwise, both motors. Only gonna go forward for about 1 second. Then we're gonna play the A key. Gonna wait about a second. Then we're gonna play the B key. And then we're gonna go forward for about 1.5 seconds. And guys, our last blocks of code for the practice levels. Deep breaths. Drop that ball off. Reverse. All right. Be gone, ghost. Teleport. Go slowly. Scare away that ghost. Drop off our package. Do our last teleport. Go forward. Open the door. And we've beat all the levels, guys. I could not have done this without you guys. I'm very proud of you guys. Keep experimenting. Have fun. I will see you guys in the challenge.